Elon Musk just took a giant leap into the future, and this time, it's in the world of robotics. Imagine a robot that can do all your household tasks, cooking, cleaning, laundry, even taking care of your pets. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, think again. Today, we're diving into Tesla's revolutionary new creation, the Tesla Bot 3.0. Is this the future of home robotics? Let's find out. Tesla Bot 3.0 unveiled. Just when we thought Elon Musk couldn't possibly surprise us more, he does it again. Enter the Tesla Bot 3.0, the latest and greatest in robotics, designed to change everything. But what makes this version so special? Well, let's break it down. First off, this bot isn't just a simple machine. It's smarter, faster, and more capable than ever. We're talking about advanced AI, enhanced dexterity, and a whole new level of efficiency, making it a true assistant in your everyday life. How Tesla Bot 3.0 works. So how does this thing actually work? The Tesla Bot 3.0 is powered by Tesla's next-gen AI system, the same tech that powers their self-driving cars. This means it can navigate your home, recognize objects, and understand instructions in real time. No more clunky robots that need to be taught how to do basic things. It just gets it. And get this, it can handle a ton of different tasks, from vacuuming your floors to folding your laundry and even cooking dinner while you're tied up with work. And the coolest part, the Tesla bot actually learns over time. It adapts to your environment and gets smarter, meaning the more it works, the better it becomes at what it does. The Tesla bot's unique features. So what makes the Tesla Bot 3.0 stand out from the rest? Let's talk about its features. First, the physical design. This isn't some bulky, clunky robot you'd find in a factory. No, the Tesla Bot is sleek, human-like, and built to move with fluidity and precision. It's designed to be safe around people, and it has sensors all over its body to avoid accidents. Then there's the AI-driven learning. Unlike robots that only do what they're told, the Tesla bot can continuously improve. It's learning how to be more efficient, how to handle new tasks, and how to make your life easier every day. What it can do, home tasks. Now let's get to the fun part. What exactly can the Tesla Bot 3.0 do in your home? Well, pretty much everything. Need help with your chores? The Tesla bot can vacuum your floors, wipe down countertops, and even take out the trash, all while you're busy with other things. And let's not forget about your laundry. The bot can fold your clothes, organize your closet, and even sort through your laundry basket. And if you're tired of cooking every night, Tesla bot's got you covered. It can follow recipes, chop ingredients, and make meals just like a personal chef. The future of robotics with Tesla, Bot 3.0. But this is just the beginning. With Tesla Bot 3.0, we're looking at a future where robots are a normal part of our daily lives. Imagine a world where robots aren't just in factories but also helping elderly people, taking care of pets, and even managing home security. This bot could completely transform how we live. And as AI continues to evolve, the Tesla bot will only get better, taking on even more complex tasks. The challenges and concerns. Of course, no innovation comes without its challenges. Some people are worried about things like job displacement and privacy. After all, having a robot in your home raises some valid concerns. Sure, the Tesla bot could change the job market, and there's the issue of privacy with AI-driven machines in our homes. But if anyone can address these concerns while pushing the tech forward, it's probably Elon Musk and Tesla. So what do you think? Could the Tesla Bot 3.0 be the game changer that revolutionizes how we live? Or is it just another futuristic dream? Either way, one thing is for sure. Elon Musk and Tesla are not slowing down. If you're as excited about this as we are, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the future of robotics and AI. Until next time, stay curious.